Let's take a look at the futures and see how they're doing because everybody's questioning what will happen tomorrow. So, Nasdaq futures up 1.5%. That is quite a rise for um, very low activity, but light volume floats all the time. Light volume will float the price. If nobody's here, then it's just gonna float. So, because when people are here, there's gonna be some selling, meaning um, you, if there's a lot of people here, there's usually some selling, right? Some sellers, some percentage of all those people are gonna be sellers. When there's very little people here, then it's probably just some buying because it's the people that shouldn't be there. It's like, yo, you guys are here buying, and you shouldn't even be here. Go enjoy your weekend. So it's having trouble breaking above that exponential moving average of the 5 day, but that's what it wants to get above right now. And in terms of the RSI, we do have that's going to be your level to close above. I mean, on the daily chart, for you to even try to go back to filling this gap right here. So nothing's going to go straight up. Nothing might go up at all. No, I'm kidding about that. There's always something happening. But for the daily chart, man, ain't nothing happening for a while. This RSI tells you that it could take, a long time to really get out of that bear tone that it's had for the daily chart. Not doesn't mean it can't go up and down on the daily chart, but to get out of the daily chart bearishness, that is that line right there. All right, let's check out and this is a major bearish pattern, which has, probably scared the crap out of some people already with those two drops. But light volume floats. Similar bearish pattern, different of a little bit of different of a curve here, but very similar to what we just saw. Same gain. They're all pretty much up the same problem, trying to break out of the EMA 5. And that one, same issues. It'll take it a while to break out into some bullish daily action. Does not mean we can't go and close above here. Does not mean that. But this bullish pattern failed here, and these people are owed some money. So when you get back up to these levels, it's like bank, 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 bank. Unless policy changes. All right, now the Dow futures. Same. So you can tell which one is the one that is the strongest out of the three. So you have the Dow not even reaching the EMA 5. Then you have the ES reaching the EMA 5, but on the third reach, right? You have 3 green candles down there in this section. So it's on its third day of reaching. And then you have the NASDAQ, which is like trying to bust through it right now. So the NASDAQ has the most oomph right now, but definitely some bearish patterns. So be careful with your gains. As you can see here, we've been reaching the 20 simple moving average, but then we stop reaching it. So that's our next move, right? To try to reach that. So the order of breakouts would be break out of this red bar high, break out of this, break out of that EMA 5, break out of the red bar high, um, gap window is very close to that red bar high. Okay, so gap window, which is the difference, the window of the gap here, is very close. So you have a lot of resistance there. But then your next challenge will be to get above the 20 simple moving average. And then you have a gap fill somewhere around here, which would probably meet with the 50 simple moving average because of time. And I wouldn't consider this a big issue because it's chopped through it once already. All right, so that's the review of the chart there. That's my analysis for today. Thank you very much for joining and following my videos, and I really appreciate it.